Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is Pinhao. Thank you for 106 subscribers there is my channel. You can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Yeah, we're gonna wrap into a try not to laugh in the absurd spirit again. Okay, try not to laugh. What the heck is I do? Try not to laugh. Okay, okay. With the funny animals, yeah, let's see. I know. You can't see my camera because, oh my god, this cat is crazy. What? Oh, he see the camera. The dog see the camera and he just run. Ah. Oh my god. What the heck? What the heck? Don't eat. Oh no. Now look. Okay, no, not this. Look. Look. It is the cat just eat the woman eye and see. Look. Oh my goodness. He just eat it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at his face. His troll face. Look at the cat. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. Oh. No, I just laugh. I just laugh. I'm gonna slap me. Okay, three. I need to hear. Wait. You need to hear it. Okay, three, two, one. Oh my god. Wait for it. Okay. Oh my god. Hmm. Look at him. Hmm. And then, oh. Hmm. This was my conversation. No. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh, I'm back. What? That's the thing. Oh, there it is. Oh, wait. Okay, this is the end of this video because it isn't funny. This video it was isn't funny, and yeah, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and bye bye.